Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to take you along with me as I try a new technique in creating my abstract art. I was so blessed to receive a 10-pack of beautiful iridescent acrylic paints from Arteza. There are a lot of colors right now that I see that I want to play with for this painting. I want you to see how pretty these colors are. Aren't they pretty? I'm going to start off by painting a base coat of 2 colors on my 12 by 18 inch canvas. To speed up the drying process, I use my heat gun. Okay, so now that the paint is dry, I'm going to begin using the technique I wanted to try, which is scraping. What I'm going to do is put a couple of drops of different acrylic paint colors on the canvas. To do the scraping technique, I'm going to use a scraper that I have here. I received this in a resin kit that I purchased a while ago, but if you don't have something like this, try using a small piece of cardboard. Basically, I'm going to spread the paint across the canvas and I'm going to go in different directions. You don't have to go in different directions. I just want to experiment and see how it would change the look. This should give you a lot of ideas on how you could do yours. I decided to build on what I created, so I'm going to let the paint dry. I will be doing the same thing with the next layer, but I'm going to use a different color combination. Here I added way more white paint than I had intended, so I'm going to try to fix it by adding more colors. This looks much better. Now I will let it dry. Okay, so this is my first time doing this, and I'm going to add a few pieces of gold leaf using Tacky Glue. So to do this, I placed Tacky Glue exactly where I wanted the gold leaf on the painting. Then I placed the gold leaf on top, and then I let it dry. If you notice, I tried to brush away the gold leaf before it was time. Yeah, I learned the hard way. You want to wait until it's fully dry before you brush it away. Once it was dry, I lightly brushed away the excess. Well, I looked at the painting and I thought the gold was too prominent. So I'm going to add a little bit of paint on top just to make it look more natural. But if you decide to do this, you can be as creative as you would like. Just go with the flow. That's what I'm doing. And here's how it turned out. I truly hope this video was helpful and it inspires you to start painting. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great week.